Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you have no sound during calls on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If you have a problem where you don't have any sound during calls, the first thing you should try is to try increasing your volume. Now, during calls, this should automatically increase your call volume, but if not, you can tap on this arrow and then increase your system volume, maybe your ringtone volume, possibly. Alternatively, go into settings, sounds and vibration, and then here try looking around and tapping on volume, and that should be it for the settings side of the thing. Another thing you could try is turning off Bluetooth to possibly rule out the sound being rerouted to some random Bluetooth device that you aren't using right now. Another thing you could possibly try is to clean your the speaker on your phone. It's this one right here for normal calls, and the one on the side possibly if you are using the speaker mode on your call. Once you clean them, of course, don't use anything that could damage them. Possibly just use a soft brush or a cloth, if that would work. And you have still problems with sound during calls, you could try using a different app or try another call. For example, you could try, instead of calling someone through their phone, you could try calling someone through WhatsApp, through Messenger. If it still doesn't work, you could try going into settings again, going to general management, then reset, and reset network settings. This could possibly clear up some settings that could potentially be causing the problem with sound not being present during calls. But if it still doesn't fix your issue, you could do the standard troubleshooting step of restarting your phone. After you restart your phone, this issue could possibly be fixed just by doing so. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.